Alright, we're back to show you the vegetables for the queso dip. And I've got a nice translucent kind of shine to all the vegetables, which is what I wanted. And everything's sweated real nice. And at the very end, what I want to do, I've just got some chopped cilantro here. And I'm going to throw that cilantro in there. And just sprinkle that over the top. And we're just going to kind of toss this in here and allow some of that steam that you see rolling off the pan, some of that residual steam, to just kind of wilt this cilantro. And at the last minute, doing it this way, it's just going to kind of cause it to bloom. And I don't want to cook it throughout the whole cooking process because I want to keep it kind of vibrant. So I've got a medium-high heat. This is exactly the color that we're looking for. Again, we use some taco seasoning, which essentially is a lot of Camino with just a few other seasonings. And some chili powder as well. So we got a nice good aroma, nice flavor coming off of these, and a good color. They stay nice and bright and vibrant, so I'm going to go ahead and cut that heat off. And this first part of the recipe is a done deal. So I'm just going to let this pan cool down just at room temperature, and we'll come back and show you how to prepare the cheese and the heavy and the half and half cream together.